What is cryptocurrency and how does it work? Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies secured by cryptography. They are powered by blockchain technology, allowing users to send and receive assets via a decentralized peer-to-peer network. Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, USDT, and Solana are some examples of the top cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Cryptocurrencies are accessed through crypto wallets or exchanges. Although people often say they are stored in wallets, the balances are actually recorded on a blockchain. What is a cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a digital currency secured by cryptography. It's a digital asset typically used as a medium of exchange. Cryptocurrencies can operate globally 24/7 and independently of intermediaries such as banks and payment processors. The decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies facilitates peer-to-peer transactions directly between individuals. So, instead of physical wallets and bank accounts, people access their crypto through unique crypto wallets or crypto exchanges like Binance. What do you know about the first cryptocurrency? Bitcoin is the first and most popular cryptocurrency. It was created in 2009 by an individual or group under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, thousands of cryptocurrencies have emerged, each with unique characteristics and purposes. Like traditional fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies can be used as a medium of exchange. However, the use cases for cryptocurrencies have expanded significantly over the years and now include a wide range of applications in various industries, such as decentralized finance, artificial intelligence, gaming, governance, healthcare, digital collectibles, and many others. How does cryptocurrency work? Blockchain network. Most cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they use a distributed network of computers nodes to manage and record transactions in a public ledger known as blockchain. So, whenever you send Bitcoin to a friend, your transaction must be collectively verified and validated by the network nodes. Each computer node has to maintain a local copy of the blockchain and update its copy every time new data is added to the ledger. Once validated and confirmed, cryptocurrency transactions are permanently recorded in the blockchain database. The distributed architecture increases the network's security because there is no single point of failure for malicious actors to exploit. If a node tries to validate invalid transactions or misbehaves, they are quickly expelled from the network. Cryptography. Cryptocurrencies use cryptography to secure transactions, maintain data integrity, and control the creation of additional units. When you open your wallet and make a crypto transaction, you are essentially using your private key to generate a digital signature. The network then checks your signature, and if all is good, your transaction is added to a new block. The blockchain is a chain of linked blocks, so you can think of a block as one of the many pages in the blockchain ledger. Each block contains, among other things, a unique list of crypto transactions. What makes cryptocurrency unique? Cryptocurrencies have impacted various ecosystems by introducing innovative features that distinguish them from traditional protocols and currencies. Some of the unique aspects of cryptocurrencies include: Number 1. Decentralization. Cryptocurrencies allow users to have total control over their assets. Their decentralized architecture eliminates the need for a central authority. This allows for greater autonomy, as well as less vulnerability to manipulation or control by a single entity. Number 2. Transparency and immutability. Blockchain technology records all transactions on a public, transparent, and tamper-proof ledger. Once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it's virtually impossible to alter or delete it. Number 3. Programmability. Many cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, are open source and programmable, allowing developers to deploy smart contracts to create decentralized applications and other innovative solutions on top of blockchains. And because permissionless blockchains are open source, anyone can start deploying code on top of a blockchain to create their own decentralized applications. Number 4. Borderless. Cryptocurrencies can be sent and received anywhere in the world, making them ideal for global transactions and remittances. Number 5. Limited supply. Many cryptocurrencies have a limited supply. For example, Bitcoin has a predictable issuance rate and a max supply of 21 million coins, contributing to its potential as a store of value. Limited supply helps prevent inflation and may lead to increased demand over time. And the next is, what is crypto market cap? Short for cryptocurrency market capitalization. Crypto market cap is a metric used to determine a cryptocurrency's relative size and value. You can calculate it by multiplying a coin's current price by the total number of coins in circulation. Crypto market cap is often used to rank cryptocurrencies, with a higher market cap generally indicating a more stable and widely accepted cryptocurrency. Conversely, a lower market cap usually signals a more speculative or volatile asset. Do note, however, that this is just one of the many factors to consider when evaluating a cryptocurrency's potential. Several other factors, such as technology, team, tokenomics, and use cases, should also be considered when doing research. Top 5 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Among the thousands of cryptocurrencies, 5 notable examples include Bitcoin and popular altcoins Ethereum, BNB, USDT, and Solana. As of November 2024, these are the top 5 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Number 1. Bitcoin. Created by pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto, BTC is the first and most popular cryptocurrency. It's widely used as a store of value and a medium of exchange. Bitcoin uses a consensus mechanism called proof of work, where miners compete to validate transactions in return for block rewards. In addition, BTC's limited supply of 21 million coins makes it relatively scarce and contributes to its reputation as digital gold. Number 2. Ethereum. It is the native coin of the Ethereum blockchain. Created by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum powers a decentralized network where developers can build decentralized applications using smart contracts. Ethereum initially used proof of work, but later transitioned to proof of stake to increase efficiency and reduce energy consumption. This shift has allowed users to validate transactions and secure the network by staking their Ethereum rather than through nodes using computing power. Number 3. BNB. BNB was introduced in 2017 as an ERC-20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. In 2019, BNB migrated to its own blockchain and is now the native cryptocurrency of the BNB chain ecosystem. Similar to Ethereum, BNB chain provides an environment for smart contracts and decentralized applications, featuring lower transaction fees and faster processing times. and compared to other blockchains, BNB has many use cases, such as staking, paying transaction fees on the BNB chain, paying trading fees on Binance, and participating in Launchpool token sales. In addition, the BNB auto burn mechanism limits the supply of BNB and helps create scarcity. Number 4. Tether USDT is a USD peg stablecoin launched in 2014 by Tether Limited Incorporation. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies designed to maintain a consistent value relative to a reserve asset, such as the US dollar or another fiat currency. In the case of USDT, each token is backed by an equivalent amount of assets held in the company's reserves. Stablecoins like USDT eliminate the extra costs and delays associated with converting between crypto and fiat currencies. Number 5. Solana. It is the native cryptocurrency of the Solana blockchain. Solana is a third-generation PUS blockchain that was launched in 2020. It has implemented many unique innovations to offer high throughput, fast transactions, and low fees. Closing thoughts. Cryptocurrency has introduced a new way to think about money and financial transactions. Some believe it could eventually replace traditional financial systems, while others see it as a complement to existing systems. Still, cryptocurrencies have already impacted finance and technology, and their influence will likely continue to grow. Thanks for watching.